Okay, so the other way to use a tincture, if you want to get rid of some of the alcohol because it will evaporate, is to take the tincture and put it, you boil water, you boil some water, and you're going to put a few drops of the tincture into the steaming water, okay, and leave it. The steam will take some of the alcohol away for you, okay, so you're going to do like this, okay, and just let it sit. Let it cool actually, because some of the alcohol will evaporate and you're going to have your tincture. So when it's cool enough to drink, you can drink it, okay? I personally prefer to have the tinctures raw because in my mind I feel like I'm getting the best, all the nutrients. I don't want anything to be destroyed by the heat, but it still works the same way. You just put the steaming water, as you can see, steaming still, okay? And then you let the tincture in there, it sits and it evaporates and you can drink it.